All right, hey guys, I just wanted to walk through with you the discussion questions on the lottery. So obviously your name and your class period in which you had me. So the first question says, describe the setting of the lottery using text evidence, and how does this setting affect the overall mood of the short story? So you need to figure out what the setting was. How did they describe the setting? What text evidence can you put in there? And when I say put in text evidence, I don't mean copy and paste the text. I mean put the text evidence in a sentence. In paragraph one, it says da 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 da. This tells me da 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 da. Okay, so you need to figure out the setting, and then you need to figure out how the setting affects the overall mood, right? So, mood is the reader's feeling. How is the author setting us up? What kind of mood is he putting us in, and how he describes that setting? The questions go in order of the story. So the next one, I just put a picture in. I know it's not a very good picture, but this is just kind of how the lottery would look in person. The second question says in the fourth paragraph, the narrator describes the lottery as a civic activity and compares it to square dancing and teen club. Why do you think the author included this sentence? So it's the first sentence of the fourth paragraph on the first sheet, and he just kind of says it like passingly. What was his purpose in comparing it to these things and calling it a civic activity? Third question. In paragraph 8, Mrs. Hutchinson arrives late to the lottery. How is she treated once she arrives? And what does this tell you about the community? So, paragraph 8 is the last paragraph on the second sheet. And I just want you to go back in the text and look at how she is treated once she arrives. How do people respond to her? Are they rude? Do they tell her you're late? Like, what is their response to her arriving late? And what does this tell you about the community? A good thing to keep in mind is like maybe how does Miss Sire react when you're tardy to class? Things like that. Number 4. Do you think you could live in this village? Explain your answer. And then number 5, keeping in mind that the lottery is a dystopia, what do you think the men are drawing for? So now remember that a dystopia kind of it shows they're trying to perceive like their world is perfect, but it's not. Okay. And it's not because there is something major going on. Maybe the government is controlling things, something bad's about to happen, but something is wrong. So now that you have that in your mind, thinking of that, knowing that the lottery is a dystopia and that there has to be something wrong, what do you think the men are drawing for? Last thing I want to point out are at the end of each question, it says how many sentences is the minimum. These are complete sentences. So if it says 3 sentences minimum, 1 sentence is not enough. 3 nice sentences. Okay. Office hours are from 10 to 11 on Monday. I'm sorry, 10 to 11 on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram, you can text me on Remind, or you can email me. I will be available all throughout the day, every day, but I will be able to get back to you immediately from 10 to 11 on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let me know if you have any questions and I can help you with anything else.